Okay, so since St. Patrick's Day, you saw me trim the brisket during class a little while back. I got it all trimmed. I wanted to get it into my brine. It takes 10 to 14 days to brine it up, which means we're going to preserve it in a salt and sugar solution that's going to make it bloom and become corned beef. So I trimmed it up. I noticed I didn't take all the fat off of the brisket. This is called the point, remember? And this is called the flat. So we're going to stack those in there. I have some pickling spice. This is cinnamon sticks, mustard seeds, black peppercorns, cloves, allspice, bay leaf, and juniper mixed together. Oh, it's coriander mixed together. I'm just going to start sprinkling that in there. In between the different briskets. I also want to put the salt in there. Okay. Different than most brines. Most brines you make them and then pour them over the whole thing. With corned beef, this is packed brown sugar. With corned beef, you want the whole idea is corned beef is called corned beef because it looks like rows of corn, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and start layering the things in there. Put my other flat in. Put some more salt. More seasoning. Whoa. And some more sugar. Okay. Last but not least, that last part there. The rest of this in here. The rest of the salt. It's a lot of salt. But we're pickling this almost, we're corning it. So it's called corned beef because the salt, after a while, makes these rows of salt like on the surface of the meat. They used to pickle it and put it into barrels and send it over to the colonies. That was a good way to preserve meat. That was a couple cloves of crushed, just garlic. I just took it, crushed it, peeled it, and I'm sticking it in there. And then I got a little bit of, this is some sliced ginger. Okay. I'm working from Alton Brown's recipe. I like him. But I also added a little bit of my own. I added fresh garlic, and I added fresh sliced ginger. Use powdered ginger. Okay, so here's a gallon of water. So the recipe is usually 2 quarts to a cup of salt to a half a cup of sugar. So that's your ratio. I doubled it because I got this big bucket of meat and I have to cover. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Get it all down in there, massage it around. Just brine all mixed up nice. I'll mix it again probably a couple days from now. I need to put something heavy on top of here. So a lot of times I just use a bowl. I can put something like a weight inside the bowl. And put it in there. Yeah, that's good. Just something to push it down in there. Easily fill the bowl with water and hold it. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Just to weigh it down so that all that. I also stir it up during the process to make sure. So that's it. We're just going to put that into the refrigerator now for 10 to 14 days, and we'll be having our corned beef around St. Patrick's Day, since this is around the 1st of February, 1st of March.